My name is Wako Gudo. I am Fire Chief Isiolo County, and I'm glad to be part of African Fire Mission Symposium 2022.
My name is Flora Makena Mwireba. I work as a Child Survival Officer at Missions of Hope International Health Department.
Okay, I'm Francis Ndeleva. Currently I'm the Chief Fire Officer in charge of airport fire service in the country. Here at the head office, fire service is domiciled in the Operations and Safety Department.
Banas Chalo, I'm the Fire Chief, Makueni County. I'm also the Secretary to the Chief Fire Officers Association, which is a registered association in Kenya. We have been able to work in partnership with Africa Fire Mission, an organization that has been in Kenya since 2015 in matters to do with trainings, facilitation of equipment. We also do online trainings that have been so successful. Every Wednesday of every week, we usually have online trainings based on a certain skill in fire or EMS.
My name is Eunice Wanjiko. I serve as the chairperson of the Kenya Council of Emergency Medical Technicians, in short KCEMT. KCEMT is a membership organization that was registered in 2009 under the Societies Act to look into issues of training, advocacy, welfare of EMTs and career progression.
I've had the pleasure of working with Jose, who is the Fire Safety Advocate Officer, AFM, during trainings that they had planned for the safety champions who are identified by the schools, and also other MOHI staff members. And also we have scouts. We've trained on first aid and fire safety.
When I met African Fire Mission, it's like our life began into fire service. African Fire Mission through blogs, African Fire Mission through Facebook, African Fire Mission through WhatsApp group, African Fire Mission through training and symposium, virtual classes every Wednesday, introduced us to the first class material about fire service, and that is why we are confident.
Airport rescue firefighting, which is called ARFFS, is a regulated function within aviation. Every airport operator is required to provide these services. So as a result of these regulations, both international and local, national, where the standards in KA are a bit high as compared to the counties because of those regulations. So our working with Africa Fire Mission became easier because, you know, the standards being where they are, it was easier now to start now working towards helping the county governments.
Since 2015, through the partnership of the Chief Fire Officers Association and other partners, we have been able to work with Africa Fire Mission in matters to do with training. So our competency in terms of response, our workmanship, our firefighters have been able to respond so effectively to fires and related emergencies and disasters. Our rescue techniques have been enhanced through the trainings. We have also been able to get the appropriate equipment. Africa Fire Mission donated to us and to the entire Kenya firefighters personal protective equipment, including self-contained breathing apparatus. So the safety of firefighters has been enhanced during emergency response.
The perception of the community towards firefighters and EMTs has come a long way. Initially, firefighters would be stoned when they got into the slum, especially the informal sector, to put out fires, or in areas because they would get to a scene of a fire late. But the reason why they got there late was because nobody had the number, or nobody knew that they needed to call a number for the fire brigade to come. For the ambulance, it's a little bit more friendly because they know when their people are sick or injured, they know that an ambulance is a source of help for them. So there are places where the ambulances are very welcome. They're even protected within the community because those members of the community know that that is a source of help for them.
We didn't know before African Fire Mission how PPEs look like. We used to go to fire scenes in slippers, and through African Fire Mission, we are able to face fires confidently. African Fire Mission also introduced us to network groups. We can be able to interact freely.
We had situations where people stone fire trucks. They even burned a fire truck in Nakuru. That tells you there is one truck is 60 million. You just burned 60 million shillings, your own money, because we are the taxpayers. So you can see that is sort of upside down. Because if you want to correct something, you don't destroy it. You work around it to see that it works. So a society, but again, the Constitution, has also given us some really some advantages. People are aware now. So when we go to them and share this information, they know that these services belong to them. So it's just a matter of educating the public, and they will turn around, like we have just seen the political arena, social space. We have seen tremendous changes. This one is not different. Yeah.
This year's symposium especially was an international event because of the partners we were able to bring on board. Besides Africa Fire Mission, we were able to bring in partners from Germany, the European Support Team, partners from Poland, the Vincent Paul University of Lublin, and Medical University of Silesia, Katowice, both in Poland. And we have attracted a lot of attention also of big companies that want to partner with us, and it becomes an opportunity for our responders to learn, because we are bringing on board experienced, skilled instructors who are able to pass on their knowledge. And it is also an opportunity for our instructors, local instructors as well, to interact with people who respond from different counties across the country. And this has been a very good opportunity. So for anyone wishing to make new friends, increase their knowledge in one area or the other, and grow their skills more, the symposium is the place to be.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. We are moving to the next step, and the next step is engaging the policymakers, legislators, so that we can have legislations that will support disaster management in the country. That's what we are looking for, and we are going to succeed because we want to succeed, so that our people will be able to cope with disaster, to be able to respond in good time and efficiently. I have no doubts. I know we are going to do it.